Welcome to MarineMax in Fort Myers. Today I'm going to show you the 2020-21 SPX from Sea Ray. This is a great family boat. Plenty of room on there for a 21-footer. You can easily go to all the islands around here. Sanibel, Captiva, pull right up to the beach. Plenty of horsepower with this 150 Mercury 4-stroke. So we'll hop on now and I'll show you all the great features. Now, and the first thing I want to point out is this big swim platform in the back. Even with an outboard, you still get a ton of room on it. And a nice swim ladder, easy to get on and off the boat when you're at the beach. And also, you get a nice walk through here. You don't actually start stepping down until you're fully inside the boat. L-shaped seating in the back. Room for at least 4 people. The floor has infinity woven vinyl. It's going to stay a lot less hot than carpet. Also will not retain as much moisture to help prevent mildew and mold. 2 captain style chairs with bolsters on both sides. It's got the Simrad digital dash. So that's connected to the engine, so you can get all your engine readouts and your data on that screen. Nice Fusion stereo. Very comfortable bow seating with 2 speakers and recessed cup holders. And also, you get a lot of storage on this boat. This is the compartment where the engine normally would be. And because it's an outboard, this opens it up just to a ton of storage. Put all your beach gear in here, coolers, rafts, life jackets, whatever you want. So if you'd like more information, please give us a call. 239-481-8200. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.